Alright, we just came off the Foothills Parkway. We're along the lake, headed to the Deals Gap store. I'm gonna get a Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. I bought a Red Bull at the last store. There's no way I could drink 2 Red Bulls in one day. That first 12-ounce Red Bull still got me going. And that was in Cherokee, North Carolina. I am seriously wound up. There it is. Boop! Deals Gap, Tail of the Dragon. It's a high crash area for motorcycles, especially trikes. Speed limit is 30 miles an hour. Remember when it was 55. Just remember, if you're watching this video, this road used to be 55 miles an hour, and it was chip sealed. It was the worst possible road you could ever ride. It was terrible. The road conditions were bad. And it was 55 miles an hour. Now the pavement is as smooth as a baby's bottom. I don't know what a baby's bottom feels like. FYI. But this asphalt's great, and the speed limit's 30, because you got to come here on your Harley Davidson and crash it. And 30 miles an hour is really good revenue. There has been very little traffic out. I think I can count the motorcycles I've seen today on one hand. Where are y'all? For that matter, I think I've only seen like 3 cops. I've seen 1 North Carolina State Trooper, and I've seen 2 Pigeon Forge police. So let's hope that I'm not due to meet one here on Deals Gap. Motorcycle gang 3. Alright, now I need a hand and a half to count all the motorcycles I've seen today. That might be the first sport bike I've seen today. This road is damp. If you watch my video from Monday, I got wet on this road. I got drowned. this VFR could talk, I would ask it how many times it's been on this road. In 26 years, me and this bike have been on this road a lot. And I've ridden it a lot harder than I do today. I'm here to tell you, I rode this bike a lot harder when I was 40 than I do at 57. I figured out that I'm not invincible anymore. This is a good turn. Oh, there's not usually a photographer there. This van should know this road inside and out, backwards and forwards. This van is on this road every single day. Every day. That is awesome. That is a lot of skid marks into that last turn. It might be time to trim those trees. We were in those trees going through the turn. It's kind of like 28. I went down 28 the other day. And in the turns, the weeds were smacking me in the shoulder.